In the Amazon, a huge anaconda is captured after eating a local pet dog. Who better to tell the story than the man who went head-to-head with the massive predator?
My name is Sebastien Bascoules. I am 39 years old and live in French Guiana. Since I was 10, I have liked handling reptiles. I decided to capture this anaconda to release it far from people's homes. I was not scared because I thought it was smaller, but I was very surprised by his strength when it began to move and his length, more than 5 meters. It was really difficult to capture this kind of snakes because they are very strong. This is the reason why I asked my friend to help me by catching his tail. Otherwise it could bite or strangulate me. If you know what you do, there is no problem. My kids, they weren't scared. We didn't have to be worried because I put a cloth on his head and became inoffensive like big worm. After the capture, it was too late to release it far from the house. I decided to take it back home and put it in the bathroom. My wife was really happy. To release it, I went to a larger river with swamps far from people. It's more easy for me to catch anaconda than speaking English. Bye-bye.